I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Sign in to your Microsoft account at Office. And confirm your Office 365 subscription status. Open any Office app like Word or Excel and reproduce the error to capture the exact message. Note error codes and text for later searches and support. Locate and backup custom templates and normal. Dot them to a separate folder to prevent data loss. Export Outlook PSD files and save documents to OneDrive or an external drive before making changes to the installation. Open Settings or Control Panel and choose Programs and Features to select Microsoft 365. Choose Quick Repair first. Restart your computer and test the apps again. If problems continue, run online repair to reinstall core files without losing settings. Next, open any app and go to File, Account, Update Options, and select Update Now to get the latest fixes. Finally, clear any app cache, reset preferences, and recreate normal DOTM or Outlook profiles to resolve persistent configuration corruption. If repair fails, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the official uninstall tool for a clean removal. Download and reinstall Office from Office. And sign in with the same Microsoft account to automatically activate your Office 365 subscription. After reinstall, open apps and confirm activation, then reapply any custom templates and add-ins. If installation problems persist, run sfc/scano and dism restore health in an elevated command. Prompt to repair
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.